Guys, it's February the 12th and it's raining as usual, and we're in Southwest Virginia headed to a place, it's actually a little town called Duffield. I think it's the town of Duffield or the city, or that's just what they call the area, I'm not sure. But that buddy of mine that got us the short walnut crotch logs, he's also a log buyer over here for this yard and runs this yard most of the time over in Duffield. And I came over here yesterday to look at some walnut he was telling me about, and I went ahead and bought one while I was there. And he's also got one he's going to throw in for free because it's been on the ground for a long time. It's a crotch log. He don't have a market for it, so we'll get that one while we're here. But sometimes I have to buy them. You know, a lot of times on this channel we get timber for free, but sometimes people want money for them. In a big log yard like this, that's understandable. They're not in it to give stuff away. Sometimes it's a good idea to go to a log yard like this to get some logs if you need to do some sawing, because it's not always feasible to spend all day in the woods dragging out timber that you're having to buy when you can come somewhere like this if they got some good deals and pick some up. For you sawmill guys out there, this is something to think about. For years, I've been sawing since 2011. I would see these big log yards on the side of the road and down on the river banks, and these big log yards, and I'd be kind of intimidated by them. I didn't think they would fool somebody as small as me. But they actually will. If you get in and start talking to them, man, they'll sell to anybody. And it's a good source for timber if you can't find any on your own for free, or any tree service guys won't mess with you. And you get nice timber from these people because it's been graded, it's cut to length. It comes from loggers, so it comes from a forest, so your likelihood of hitting metal is very low. And if there's metal in that log, you're going to know it way before you even buy it, because those guys will see that when it comes to the yard when they buy it. Man, this is a big log yard. They've got timber everywhere. We came over yesterday, me and my wife did, just to see the place, and I could spend all day at a place like this just looking around. Some nice stuff going on here. So we're pulling in now, get these two walnuts loaded up, and head back home. He's also got a massive red oak log I'm going to show you guys. I passed on it. It was a little too big for me to fool with, but man, it is a big red oak log. It's 65 inches, I think, on the big end. Huge. So I'll take the camera with me, and we'll get these logs loaded up. I'll show you guys around here at all the walnut he's got. It's amazing how much walnut's here. I could spend weeks here sawing this stuff up, man. It's phenomenal stuff. Crotch logs everywhere, stuff buried underneath piles. You guys will be surprised at how much walnut's here. Tell you what guys, this is walnut heaven right here. I've never seen this much walnut before in my life at one location. And I've been to a few different log yards in this area between here and North Carolina. I've never seen that much walnut before. There's just so much walnut here. I could spend all day here if I had my sawmill slabbing this stuff up. Before we head out of here, I want to show you guys this red oak. It's 14 feet long, the small end is 48 inches, and the large end is 68 inches.
In the day's time, hey, now the truth is I don't really know why. I just let the wild wind decide, 'cause I go blind when I try to find you. Yes, I go blind when I try to find you. But I'll find you. So what's your conviction? What is your truth? What's your prediction? To know for what is. But we make our own dreams. It's perfectly clear. I still pretend the taste when you're not near. Oh, hey, now the truth is I don't really know why. I just let the wild wind decide, 'cause I go blind